Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super adorable miniature squishies. I'm sure that you can't even see them that well because these are so small, but they're so cute, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be really awesome. Before we do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. And now with that all being said, let's get started with today's video. To make your very own squishy, you're going to need memory foam. I buy memory foam pillows from Walmart, and that is what I use to make my squishies. So here I have a piece of memory foam, and I'm going to trace out a triangle shape. Using my pair of scissors, I'm starting to cut the memory foam. Now, this first squishy we're going to be making is going to be a strawberry pie squishy. So that is the shape that I'm going for. We have our slice of pie here, and now to bring it to life, I'm going to use fabric paint. So I'm going to start off with the crust, and I'm using white, brown, and yellow. I'm going to mix all three of these colors together, and I'm going to start painting it on. For the filling, I'm going to mix some white and red fabric paint, and I'm just gonna paint the remaining area with it. You want to let this dry completely, and while that was drying, I took a little piece of some memory foam, and I'm going to make this little dollop of some whipped cream. And I glued it onto the squishy using some super glue, and I'm going to paint over it using some white. Here you can see that the color of the crust is completely off. I don't know what happened, but I went ahead and I repainted it. So I just thought I'd mention that I don't know what happened, but it just kind of went off for some reason. As per usual, I'm going to go ahead and add a cute face to the squishy. So for this one, I made a laughing face, and I'm using acrylic paint for this. You can also use fabric paint, whatever you prefer. And finally, I'm going to top it off with this super cute little strawberry. And here is the strawberry pie squishy all completed. Now I'm going to show you guys how I made a super adorable toast squishy. I have some memory foam here again, and I'm going to trace out the shape using a pen. Then using my pair of scissors, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it out. Whenever you're making a squishy, it's best to cut a little bit at a time. You want to do like these little snips so that you really get an even surface. Once you're happy with the shape, you want to start painting it using fabric paint. So I'm using a medium brown for the crust, and then for the center, I'm going to use a light beige. Of course, this squishy would not be complete without a face, so I'm going to make a mustache face for this squishy because I thought it would look really cute. And then I finally finished it off by adding this little heart that's supposed to be grape jelly. And here is the toe squishy all completed. And that is it for today's video. Let me know in a comment down below which squishy was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.